Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Monday evening, June 23rd, 2025, and we have a lineup of health, fitness, and wellness headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. UGI urges customers to be safe and use energy wisely during extreme heat. UGI is urging customers to be safe and use energy wisely during extreme heat. With excessive heat warnings in effect, UGI offers tips to help keep the public safe and minimize energy usage. Suggestions include raising the thermostat setting, closing doors to uncooled parts of the home, using fans to circulate air, sealing holes and cracks, and staying hydrated. It's important to know the symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke, especially for vulnerable populations. UGI's emergency response is available 24/7 at 800-276-2722. Your safety is their top priority. UGI Utilities Inc. serves over 760,000 customers, and more information can be found at www.ugi.com. Investor news breaks. HeartBeam Inc. NASBeat to present at iAccess Alpha Virtual Summer Conference. HeartBeam Inc., a medical technology company focused on personalized cardiac care, will have CEO Robert Eno and CFO Timothy Cruikshank present at the iAccess Alpha Virtual Best Ideas Summer Conference on June 24, 2025. They will engage in virtual one-on-one meetings with institutional investors during the event. HeartBeam aims to revolutionize cardiac care by offering cable-free 12-lead ECG technology that captures heart signals in 3 dimensions. This innovation allows for actionable heart insights to be obtained outside of medical facilities, reshaping the future of cardiac health management. The company holds numerous patents related to this technology. For more information, visit HeartBeam's website.
The $4.1 trillion healthcare revolution, how DarioHealth could rewrite the rules of chronic disease management. DarioHealth Corp. is revolutionizing chronic disease management with its AI-powered platform that addresses diabetes, hypertension, weight management, musculoskeletal pain, and mental health simultaneously. The company's approach has led to significant reductions in hyperglycemic events and anxiety symptoms, as well as a 5x return on investment for healthcare payers. With a strategic partnership with MediOrbis, DarioHealth now offers integrated medication prescribing, positioning itself at the forefront of the $100 billion weight loss medication market. The company's financials are strong, with first quarter 2025 revenues reaching $6.75 million, and a focus on operational cash flow break-even by the end of 2025 or early 2026. Trading at around 69 cents, DarioHealth presents a potential hidden gem for investors, with analysts suggesting a potential 335% upside from current levels. DarioHealth is not just another digital health play, but a potential blueprint for the future of personalized, integrated healthcare.
Study explains why most smokers never get to develop lung cancer. Newly published research has revealed why most smokers do not develop lung cancer, despite years of tobacco use. While tobacco contains chemicals that can damage DNA and lead to lung cancer, only a small number of smokers actually develop the disease. Researchers suggest that some smokers may have defense systems that protect them from lung cancer. For those who do develop the condition, effective treatment is crucial. Companies like Kalidi Biotherapeutics Inc. are working on innovative solutions. Tiny Gems, a platform focusing on small-cap and mid-cap companies, provides access to a vast network for reaching target markets and enhancing press releases. For more information, visit tinygems.com.
Biomed news breaks. NRx Pharmaceuticals Inc., NASDAQ NRxP, applies for FDA Commissioner's Priority Voucher for NRx 100 ketamine formulation. NRx Pharmaceuticals, Inc., listed on NASDAQ as NRxP, has applied for the FDA Commissioner's Priority Voucher for its NRx 100 ketamine formulation. The company seeks accelerated review under the newly launched CNPV program, aligning with urgent U.S. health needs such as suicidal depression and PTSD. NRx has already submitted the CMC portion of its application and aims for potential accelerated review of its full NDA by late 2025. If granted, the voucher could cut review times to 1 to 2 months. Concurrently, NRx is advancing a citizen petition to withdraw preservative-containing ketamine products and has filed a patent for its preservative-free manufacturing process, targeting a ketamine market projected to reach up to $5 billion annually by 2033. Biomed news breaks: Nutriband Inc., NASTRB, price target raised to $15, following a Versa fentanyl manufacturing milestone. Nutriband Inc., NASTRB, has received a new $15 price target following the successful completion of commercial manufacturing for a Versa fentanyl. This milestone allows Nutriband to move forward with clinical supplies production and an IND application for a Phase 1 trial. Analyst Robert Laboye raised the FY 2027 EPS forecast to $1.57, noting Nutriband's adherence to timelines and avoidance of an expected equity raise. Full-year sales are projected to start in FY 2027, with NDA submission expected between late 2025 and early 2026. Nutriband is focused on developing abuse-deterrent pharmaceutical products with a Versa technology aimed at preventing drug abuse and misuse. For more information, visit Nutriband's website. Breakthrough study demonstrates viability of ambient temperature transport for human oocytes, unlocking new research opportunities. A breakthrough study conducted at the World Egg and Sperm Bank in Phoenix, AZ, demonstrated the viability of ambient temperature transport for human oocytes. Over 95% of the 432 oocytes shipped overnight remained viable, showcasing the robustness of the transport protocol. The study highlighted the potential of using discard oocytes for research, offering a valuable resource for studying oocyte biology and developing parthenogenetic stem cells. Lead author Dr. Maria G. Gervasi emphasized the transformative impact of this work on human oocyte biology and stem cell research. Future research will focus on optimizing the transport medium and exploring the mechanisms behind zinc's effects on oocyte behavior.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.